Hey guys, this is Silly Bates. Fire alarm going around. I'm not sure. I'm looking for my first period classroom. So what's been happening is something happened, and I don't even know where my class is even at. So yeah, this is happening now. Yeah, this is 100% happening. I'm looking for my first period class. And hopefully things don't explode or catch on fire. And maybe, possibly, I may, pretty much go back home. Don't really know. Okay, I have found my class. Guys, you may hear some cussing. I'm not gonna show anyone's face because, well, for obvious reasons. Hello.
I feel like you like $20 for just a pressure.
So, I'm not really sure what's gonna happen. I'm gonna click pause and see what.
Alright guys, hey, make a line. Let me take roll real quick.
Have we been scheduled for a drill today or no?
No, I don't know what happened. Jose! Actually, no, you're not on the list. I don't know. Did you get switched?
Sorry for that, guys. So what's going to happen is, well, possibly we may go back in. Because, well, I'm not sure it's a prank. It's not a drill, that's for sure. It's not a drill. So what happened, there's like a fire going on, or someone pulled the alarm, so I don't really know. I literally just got here at school. And pretty much I don't really know. I think this is like the fourth day. No, yeah, the fourth day of school. Fourth day of school. This already happens. Now, here's something interesting. Things already are interesting about the school. Hopefully, my phone does not get taken away. That's for sure. I think the reason why they're not taking it away because I think they think I'm on a phone call. But So this is where my friends say hello.
Hey.
You're not. You got in. So what do you think is going to happen?
We'll go back to class.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure it's not going to be like a explosion or something?
For sure. We're gonna go back to class.
Well, this has been Sealy Bates, and signing out.